Step 1. Ensure hair is clean and dry and free from product before applying your clip-in extension. Step 2. Pre-style your own hair first into a high ponytail using a strong and secure hairband. Step 3. Slide the comb clip located at the back of the silk ponytail attachment into the base of your existing ponytail. Step 4. Mould the Velcro base of the clip-in around your existing hair tie of your own ponytail. Step 5. Wrap the strip of excess hair located on the side of the attachment around the base of your hair tie until it is fully covered and cannot be seen. Step 6. Place bobby pins to secure loose ends of wrapped hair under the base and at the back of your ponytail. If you wish to add in any of our products, we recommend using our anti-frizz serum to achieve a smooth and sleek end result.